two flavor in our app. This is for user and this is for admin. Let's open first the admin app. Authentication, we have here the Google login for authentication. I'll give the name of the app called Hotspot. This app help you to find the hotspot area of phishing during the phishing season. First let's see the admin app and we'll see the user app. I have already added the sum of the item as admin, and if I have upload the item, it will be display here. You can also see the user rating here, rating and review for your place. As an admin, you can see your admin view here. Your product would be look like this for user mode. And here we have display the subscription status. Currently 4 users have used the app and 2 users add the subscription, and currently 1 user have a active subscription. And if you click here, you can easily add the currently hotspot area to phishing. You can zoom it and see for testing purpose. I'll just add the random area to the current area, but if you want to launch this app, then we can easily set the current location as the default area. And I'll set here, I'll set the phishing spot on the one river and set it here. It will be display here, and I'll give the name and set the condition, current phishing condition from hotspot. There is large amount of fish, decreasing order, little and increasing order. For the demonstration, I'll just set the little, and here which type of fish is this. You can also choose the available fish, or you can also add the category here, but I'll choose the available fish. And as admin, you can set the rating and review. If you can save the product, and this area will be set on the top of your list. And at the same time, I'll also open the user app Hotspot. I'll give the name Hotspot, and here you can easily create the new account, or if you have already account, then you can log in from here. I'll just log in. Yes, we have successfully logged in using email password. Currently in the home screen, everything will be blurred. If you want to use this app, then you need to upgrade your plan. This is the subscription based application, and there is some info in profile section. You can see your name, no active subscription, add subscription, Tom logout. And if you upgrade the subscription from here, there is the package available. If you want to try, you can use 3-day, 1 week, 1 month plan. I'll just choose the 3-day plan, click on pay now. It will open the Stripe. Currently I have used the Stripe testing mode. That's why testing mode will be display here, and this account will be the sample account. Okay, if I pay the amount, then it will be open and it will display the all area that will be available for phishing. This will be the this, and green will be the, if you wants to know some info, green will be the hotspot area, and this will be the increasing, then red will be the decreasing, and this will be the little amount of phishing spot will be available. If you can zoom, then you can also get the more info. If you click, custom info window will be display here. And if you again go to the admin app, currently here is the no any review and rating on Naredi River area. Let's just give the rating and review. If you click on the rating section, I'll provide the 5-star rating and the give review best for phishing, and I'll submit. You have successfully added the review and rating will be updated, and at the same time you can also see the review of your and some other user review as well. And if you again try to give the review here, then it will show you have already submitted the review. Okay, and if you want to see the review and rating to find out it will be the best area or not, then you can also see the review and rating here. And if you want to filter the fish item and wants to see, you can easily filter. You can see only one rohu fish type will be available here, and if you filter the kingfish, then you can get the kingfish here. 2 kingfish hotspot area will be found. One will be the hotspots and another will be is in the decreasing order. After you have give review and rating, and if you open the admin app, your rating and review will be directly reflect here in real time. And if this phishing spot will be expire, and if you wants to edit this spot, then you can also edit the condition. If the phishing condition is increased, then you can also set it. If decrease, you can also set it. And if this condition is expired, at the same time you can also delete this. I'll show you by deleting this. I'll delete this area. If I delete this, Vishnumati river area. I will delete this area and you can find this area, and if you open the user app, then this area will not be here. You can see Vishnumati area is located in the Kathmandu. Each and everything that we have done using the professional way. We have used the Stripe payment method, and we have used the Firebase cloud function to store the Stripe secret key. We didn't have store the secret key on the user side. Okay, if you see the profile, then you can see 3-day plan will be subscribed and 2-day remaining here. From here you can also add and extend your subscription status. By this way we can easily create the one fully functional app that you can launch. Complete video will be coming soon.